Gagawa. Meron kaming... Ay, uy, wag muna. Wait. Dito ka muna. Uy, wag kakalat. Meron kami na to. Sand na walang... Uy, kunin mo pala yung plastic kasi. Uy, wait. Kunin mo yung plastic doon na white. Okay, plastic na white. Oo, yung puno ng laruan. Meron diyang, ayan yung panggamit ng, eto. Nag-move mag-isa. Wait. Wait! Pwede natin lagay dito yung sand. Lagay natin! Okay. Ako na. Ito sa'yo. Gusto mo. Kung gusto mo. Ay, pwede ka. Pang clay yan eh. Pero wala na yung clay ko. Tumigas. Ang hirap. Ayun na. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Perfect siya! Uy! Masisira! Ako din. Uy! Ayan na. Meron na ako. Masisira! Nasira! Wait, ikakat ko siya. Wait. I'm super clumsy. What? Super clumsy? Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, you're super clumsy. Hayaan mo na kasi it's okay. You're just a little girl. Ano kaya? Eto ulit. Pero tatakpan ko na. Wait. Hey, ba't mo pinaglagyan yung takip ko? Hala ka kasi pang play. Pang play nga. You mean like, etong magic sand. Ay, yun. Pinong-pino, diba? Yung etong magic sand. Lalapit ko kasi.
Asa si Mami? Ano?
Hindi ko pa alam. Ay, nasa taas. Ito. Wait. Ay, buhok. Excuse me, clumsy. Okay, go. Okay. Pakita ko lang sa kanila. Okay. Who wants some clay? I have some clay. Look, because look. You open it and put it over it at your hands, and it will rise up like that. And look, that's not only it. Wait, Cassie, excuse me. Excuse me, clumsy girl. Cassie. Excuse me, Cassie. Okay. Thank you. Look what I'm gonna do. Oh, sorry. Cool. Yeah, it's cool. You see the new girl over there? Yeah. Who is it? It's a pickle. Oh my God. Pickle. Hey, Pickles! No! Pickles! No! And the bossy Pickles. Hey, Pickles! No! Pickles! No! Pickles! No! Pickles! No! Pickles! Nasaan ka pupunta? Super clumsy. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, bruh. 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 Oh. Ah! You're super clumsy, Cassie. Yeah. It's okay. Oh. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Do it! Ah. Give me. This one. Oh, yes. So nice. Oh, I'm gonna say. Hey! Ito na. Okay na. Ay! Wait. Eh, hindi masyadong... Eto na lang sa'yo. Sige. It's like pooping. It's like pooping? Yeah. And Cassie, put it here. Okay. You're super clumsy. Do it proper. Ah! Put it here. Okay. Oh, it's still thickness. No. It's too You're too clumsy. Or you're not too dumb because you're my cousin, and I love you because you're my first cousin that I ever met. Wait, don't. Okay, do that. But put it over here, okay? Okay. And gumawa ka pa ng isa dito. And then, i-repeat mo lang yung ginagawa ko. Okay. There we go. Oh, lagyan mo to. Lagyan mo tong both na yan. Okay. Wait, hindi. Itong dalawa. Okay. Okay na. Ako itong isa. Oh, it suits perfectly. And it's your favorite color because it's purple. Yeah. It's your favorite color, right? Yeah. Literally, right? It's your favorite color, literally. I can take this off, literally. Literally. Yeah. Okay. Wait for that to come. Mama! Wait, no. Okay. Oh. Lagyan mo to. Gawin mo yung parang kaninang ginawa mo. There we go. There we go. I'm too clumsy, right? Yeah. Wait. Give me that. You're too responsible for this. Do you know responsible? No. Responsible is like, I don't know then. But for me, I think responsible is like the one that is, you can, oh, no, again. Simbahan na. Ay, oo, kasi, wait, una lang muna siya. Okay. Tsaka to. Wait. Ito muna. What? This is awesome. You know why? Because I'll show you after I do that. After. Okay, see that? That's the shell. I'll show you. See that? Now, look. That's the thingy. That's the thingy. Oh my gosh. That's my goodest part. Rock your body. Rock your body. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Ito, yun. Ako na. Sige. Wait lang. Para mo lang. Saan ilalagay? Dito? Oo. Maayos. Berber patapin. Like that. Berber patapin. Tralalala, tralala. Ay, octopus yun. Uy, that's brain rot. Don't say that. Magiging rot yung brain mo. Alam mo yun. Kaya huwag mo nang gawin kasi if you do that, magiging takot ka sa mga flutes, sa mga easy lang, matatakot ka dun. Na pinapanood sa akin ni Daddy yun. Ako hindi. Hindi alam ng Daddy ko yun. Maaalam niya pagka tinignan yung iPad mo. Kahit cellphone, ano ba yan? Wait, magagawa nga ako pagtapos eh. Okay? I'll go. Wait, I have some idea. Wait lang. Ay! Excuse me muna. Wait, I need this like... Rock your body. Okay na. There, mine. Oh! Look. Oh. Don't say that. That's bad. Bring up to nahigit. Uy! Pagka sinabi mo may isa pang mga ganun, tatawagin ko sa'yo brain rot. Okay? Joke lang. May ano eh. Ano? May funk yun. May funk? Yung BRR PATIM, tapos yung PRALO, wait, ayusin na natin. Ay! Wow! Oh! Ang sarap yung paglaruan kasi look. Oh. Cool. Let's make this a whole correct. Wait. Wait, pakinggan mo. Halika. Wait, baba ka ante here. Kasi makatunga ko. Oh. It's so satisfying. Oh. Oh, I feel that. Oh, wow. There's more here. Oh. Yung mga ginawa mo lang yung ganituhin mo. Saka yung C-U-N-G, yung, actually, bad yun ah. Kaya sorry po, Lord. Sabi ko, yung ginawa mo lang gagawin mo eh. Sorry po, Lord. Sa lahat ng ginawa na bad, yung brain rot. Okay. Uy. Okay. May I borrow? I'm gonna get this octopus. Where's the octopus? Yeah, I'm gonna get do a shell. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Okay, tanggal mo lahat ng mga gamit. I-flatten mo to. Tapos huwag ka muna maglalaro kasi mayroong satisfying ako na gagawin. Okay. Oh, I hear it. Tapos, up this. Yeah. Okay.
Anak, kunin mo yung phone ko doon. Sa labas.
Eh, wala. Madumi na yung kamay ko. Rock your body. Come on. Rock your body. Kunwari may chine-chase tayo. Yung mga, Tapos kunwari magsa-sacrifice to. Wait. Pwede gawin ko na to. Okay. Tapos, lalagyan mo yung taas na to ng ito yung palay, ito yung mga nabuk. Okay? Okay. Kunwari daw, nakis daw sila. Hindi. I mean, yung palay yung nilalagyan ng mga corns, gano'n. Okay na. Wait. Dito pala yung... Ay! Okay na. Mga palay. Ayan. Give me this. Ako naman. Okay? Dito. Tapos may sasacrifice. Wait. Tapos yung naman, yung hinahabol nila is tawag doon. Etong crab. Sacrifice daw ito. Come on, rock. Yeah, but dahil. Okay na. Magsa-sacrifice ba yung crab? Pakita mo sa kanila. Okay. Ay, kami ka. O, hindi dyan! Dito muna, bago doon, okay? Oh, pakita mo na sa kanila. What? Kasi look. Look. Oh, I need to look. Uy! Oh, baka mahulog. Wag na, wag na. Okay na. Ale, ako na. Tandaan na yun. I just killed my ex. Not the best idea. Ito yung kill ko yung ex ko. I just killed my ex. Not the best idea. Punuin natin ito ng mga mark na ganyan. O, ayusin mo na. Okay lang. Okay. Go. Wait. Wait. Oh. Salit-salitan. Okay? One. Wait. Wait. I just killed. Oh, tigda tatlo. But not the best idea. Ulitan yung I just killed my ex. Not the best idea. Wait. Ito yung knife. I just killed my ex, but not the best idea. Wait, I had some idea. Huwag mo lang tusukan mo. Okay. Huwag mo lang tusukan kasi. Oh. Ako na. Basta ka, ito yun. Wait. Okay. Gagawin natin siyang X, ha? So, ito yung example. Ako, ganyan. Nakapagtaligid. Ikaw, ganyan. Ay, mali pala. Ganon. Okay? Ganon, ha? Ganon. Oo nga. O kahit iba na. I just killed my ex, but not the best idea. Pretend gagawa tayo ng palay, pero puno ng knife na ano, pretend may nag-kill dito. Madaming nag-kill dito. Okay. Dito. Okay, now I'll do this. Huwag mahaba, ha? Wait, now let's mix it. Let's mix it with this. Minus this. Wait. Yeah. No, it's not. Let's dig in for gold. Wait. Talikod ka muna. Doon ka muna. Nakatalikod. Hindi, patalikod na doon. Okay. Di mo nakikita ko? Okay. Wait lang, hindi pa tapos. Wait lang. Okay na, go. Ang tool mo lang is, ako mag-pick here. Ito lang pwede mong gamitin. Itong pinaka-end dito. Ganito lang. O kaya, ganito. Okay? It's just like a star. Maghanap ka. Ay! Gamit kamay mo na lang para mas fun. Ganyan? No. You can do it like pero yung maliliit lang na gano'n. Yung ba treasure hunting ka. Not like that. Just one. Wait! May nakita ko. Treasure! Let's find more. I found the treasure. I found another one. It's like a base, right? It's no more now. Okay. I found one. Wala akong nilagay na ganyan, no? Oh, ilagay mo is... Oh, yan. Lahat yan. 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 Pwede na? Hindi pa. Ngayon. Hindi pa. Ay! Hindi ko nakita. Nakikita ko lang mukha mo. Ang taas ko eh. Pwede na? Hindi pa. Kaya nanonood mo na ako. Wait. Gawin ulit natin yung muna. Okay. Tignan mo gagawin namin. Okay. Look. Again. Okay. Diba may easy one? Yes. So, yan yung isa. Nasagot na yung isa ko. Kamay lang yung pwede natin gamitin, right? This. This. Mama. Nakita mo. Ang dali. Hindi mo ginanon eh. Hindi mo ginanon yan lahat. Nakikita ko yung mga mark. Kanina nag-paint ako eh. Hindi ko nga nakita. Paano ko makikita ang ganong kabilis? Oh, gawin na ta. Sige. Wait, I think I have already. Wait. isa. O, magugas ka na. Pati naman ako magayos dito. Bari, mau kamu waktu. Aray! Oh, wala. Dito. Ako na. Apa yan? Ito yung funny face ko. Wait, I will show you which one is my funny face. Wait, nabili ko muna. And not only that, it's... I can see you! Okay, look na. Okay na. Bye! Say bye na.